to my channel. I'm Daisy. So in this video, I will teach you something really important, that is our Chinese food. So could you tell me, are you the one when you go for the Chinese restaurant, you still order something like sour and sweet pork or dumplings? Are you the one? But dumplings, excuse me, as a Chinese, we never order dumplings in Chinese restaurant. If you really want to eat dumplings, please open your Google and search the Chinese supermarket near me. Go to the Chinese supermarket and buy a frozen dumpling exactly the same. Okay, no one will order dumplings in Chinese restaurant. Or if you're a high-level expert foodie, you may order something like the ma po tofu. Or you may order something fried noodle, fried rice, something. But since now, after this video, no more those food anymore, okay? So, and when you go for the Chinese restaurant, did you realize the tables around you, you will feel they order something totally different with you, right? So they may have some really warm, nice soups or something completely different. So in that moment, you may think, oh, does the Chinese restaurant offer the secret menu for those Chinese? No, they do not do it, okay? We all have exactly the same menu, but just you have no idea what food is the typical tasty Chinese food. So now, follow me, let us start it. Alright, hold on, I know you may think about, okay, Daisy, the food you're gonna recommend, are you sure I can find it in every Chinese restaurant? Yeah, guarantee, okay, I'm sure the food I gonna recommend it, you will find it in every Chinese restaurant, okay? I'm not sure about takeaway, but as long as this is a proper Chinese restaurant, they have table, you can eat in there, and they have menu, then you will get the food that I'm talking about, okay? Now let us see what I will teach you in this video. Okay, in this video, firstly, I will teach you the name of the traditional Chinese dishes that you can order in the Chinese restaurant in the future. And secondly, I will teach you a sentence structure to order the food in Chinese restaurant, okay? So now let us start with some vegetables. The first vegetable dish you have to order is 鱼香茄子. 鱼香茄子, that is braised aubergine with spicy garlic sauce. So like when you go for the restaurant, please order a rice at the same time. This one with the rice, just perfect, alright? So this one you can take the picture, take the screenshot of the food I'm talking about today. You can show the restaurant to order it. Also, today's dish, the name in Mandarin and English, we will all put it in the video description part. Just check it below the video later, okay? Alright, second dish of the vegetable is 干扁豆角. 干扁豆角, that is dry fried green beans with the pork mince and the chili. Also super tasty, and this one is a typical food in our Sichuan province, of China. This one, and also I think some of Western people, they also know this one, so try it, really good. And the green beans are really crispy, super nice. So next one is 醋溜土豆丝. 醋溜土豆丝, which is potato slice with chili and vinegar sauce. And definitely you have to order this one. You know the Western food, they love potato, okay? But after this one, you will know what is the way to eat a potato in the elegant way. This is a really elegant potato, okay? Super nice. And also this one is, you will see it in every Chinese, their dinner, their lunch, when they cook the food at home, everyone will cook it. That is our really daily life in every family in China, okay? So try it, you're gonna love it for sure. And a little bit sour, a little bit spicy, just be perfect, okay? So now let us order some meat. The first one is 鱼香肉丝. 鱼香肉丝, that is 鱼香 pork. And This is the typical dish we will order it in restaurant. Every time we go to a restaurant, we definitely will order it because this one, if you cook it at home, it's really difficult to cook, because that flavor is quite complex. So it's not everyone can cook it very well in the home. That's the reason why when we go for the restaurant, we definitely will order this one for sure. Okay, next one is 锅包肉. 锅包肉. This is crispy, sweet, and sour pork slice. This one is similar with the one you guys like the sweet and sour pork. But this one, I can say this one is 2.0 version of the sweet and sour pork because this one is more crispy. And also this one is a typical food of our Dongbei province in China. So try it, you will like it. If you want to have some beef in Chinese restaurant, please go for this one. 黑椒牛柳. 黑椒牛柳. That is black pepper beef. And the beef is really soft and juicy. But obviously, we have different types of the beef dishes in Chinese restaurant. But some of them you may think a little bit weird. But this one, I'm sure, in the whole world, no one doesn't like it, okay? Everyone loves it. So try this one. If you like lamb, go for this one. 葱爆羊肉. 葱爆羊肉. That is lamb with the ginger spring onion. Alright, so now let us order some cups. But since now, when you go to Chinese restaurant, when you try to order some cups, no more dumpling and fried noodle or rice. Okay, now let us see what we gonna order. This one, 担担面. 担担面 means 担担 noodle. This is a typical noodle of xiāng. And also this one is a little bit spicy. So if you don't like spicy, please go for this one. 西红柿鸡蛋面. 西红柿 means tomato. 鸡蛋 means egg, noodle 面. So tomato egg noodle, 西红柿鸡蛋面. Oh, the noodle in this one is really soft and the soup is really nice. If you have some rice, after the noodle you can put the rice mixed with those soup. That's gonna be the whole world. Tasty, yummy, okay? So next one is the magical soup that you have seen in every Chinese table, okay? They have the soup, you don't know what is it. Now let me tell you what is it. This is 酸辣汤. 酸辣汤. That is hot and sour soup. You can imagine in the cold winter, you go for a Chinese restaurant and have this warm, nice soup. Oh my god, in that moment, you're the whole world. You don't need anyone, right? So that is a super amazing soup. So now we had vegetables, meat, cup. Let us order some dessert together. For dessert, we will order 汤圆. 汤圆. That is rice dumplings. And also inside they will put something like the red beans or sesame. Those kind of things put inside, really tasty and sweet. You're gonna love it for sure. Really super nice. Alright, so now I believe those food is enough for 5-6 people. So now let me tell you, how could we say I want this food, or may I have that food, right? How could we talk with the waitress or waiter in the restaurant? So we will say 我要 plus the dish's name. So 我 means I, 要 means want. So you can say 我要 soup, right? You just put the soup behind 我要. That will be a complete sentence, means I want something. And you may think about, okay, in English we will say, may I have this one? Can I have this one? In China, you guys just say 我要. I want. Is that not polite enough, right? But in our real life, in China, in Mandarin, for this language, we are really direct, okay? We wouldn't say, may I have or something. No, that doesn't exist in China. We only say, 我要, I want, really strong, really direct. People will get you. That is not rude at all. And also, when you learn a language, in the end of the day, you will find out you are not only learning a language, but also at the same time, you are learning a culture. We are really direct language. And for example, in English, you have lots of lovely, sweet words. You say, oh, enjoy your day, or have a lovely day. So for example, if I say, I'm go running now, the English people will answer me, have a lovely running, have a good one. In Mandarin, in China, if you say, I'm go for running now, we will say, then you go. Then you go. We do not have something like have a lovely running or enjoying or something. We don't say in this way, right? But obviously, we have the word of enjoying and lovely, but we just do not use in this context. So our language, I can say, is a little bit direct and a little bit cool. Alright, so now, guys, I believe you know the traditional food's name in Mandarin, and also you know how could we order the Chinese food, right? In the sentence structure, we will say 我要 plus the dish's name. For the food's name part, you can take a screenshot of the video, or you can check the description part of the video, and then we'll go for the Chinese restaurant just to show them. And now what I'm going to do, I cannot say goodbye to you guys, okay? Seriously, I cannot wait for it. I will order the Chinese food delivery now. I just make myself super hungry. Cannot wait for it today. No tradition, no joke, no anything. Just bye, guys. I will order my Chinese food now. Enjoy your Chinese food. Bye. And hold on. See you guys every Friday and 6 p.m. And please give me a like or subscribe to my channel. I'm Daisy. See you guys. Bye bye.